Here we will see Introduction to ASP.NET with C Sharp. ASP.NET is a web application framework designed and developed by Microsoft. It is an open source and a subset of .NET framework and successor of a classic ASP, that is Active Server Pages. ASP.NET is built on CLR, that is Common Language Runtime, which allows the programmers to execute its code using any .NET languages like C Sharp, VB, etc. It is specially designed to work with HTTP and for web developers to create dynamic web pages and web applications, websites, and web services, as it provides a good integration of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. ASP.NET is a server-side technology, that is, it runs on web server. It provides integration of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is used to produce interactive, data-driven web applications over the internet. It consists of large number of controls such as text boxes, buttons, and labels for assembling and configuring and manipulating code to create HTML pages. ASP.NET provides three development styles for creating a web application: web pages, web forms, and MVC. Web pages are used to create dynamic web pages. It provides fast and lightweight way to combine server code with HTML. It helps to add video, link to social sites, etc. It also provides other features like you can create beautiful sites that conform to the latest web standards. Webform is an event-driven development framework. It is used to develop applications with powerful data access. It provides server-side controls and events to create web applications. It is a part of ASP.NET framework. Basic difference between web forms and web pages are: web form uses server controls and the programming experience to more like working with Windows forms and controls. Whereas web pages are like PHP or classic ASP and lets you work much closer to HTML and PHP. ASP.NET MVC gives us a MVC, that is Model View Controller Pattern based way to build dynamic websites. It enables a clean separation of concerns that gives you full control over markup for enjoyable and agile development. It also provides many features that enable fast development for creating outstanding applications. Here we will see advantages of ASP.NET. ASP.NET is purely server-side technology, so the code is processed on Windows Server before it is displayed in web browser. Therefore, ASP.NET applications executes more quickly than interpreted scripts. ASP.NET features such as early binding, JIT compilation, caching services, and native optimization supports to get high-level performance. ASP.NET Framework is a language independent, means you can choose any programming language like C Sharp, VB, which best suited to your application. The common language specification data types in all .NET applications are similar, so no type conversion is necessary when calling .NET methods like C Sharp to Visual Basic and vice versa. ASP.NET provides full support for XML, CSS, and other new as well as established web standards. Introduction of ViewState helps in maintaining state of the controls automatically between the postback events. With the built-in configuration information, ASP.NET is easy to deploy. There is no need to register components because the configuration information is built in. Finally, ASP.NET reduces the line of code needed to develop large applications.